आगे
Flexibility.
बोल लाइव समझे लाइव वो श्लोक नहीं बताता श्लोक में ऐसे अजीब अजीब वर्ड्स होते हैं और वो लंबा बड़ा नहीं वो इस लेसन का स्पेसिफिक आगे क्या हाँ एक्स्ट्रा राउंड में रहना तेरे पास सॉरी इसको तू तो बोली मत तू तो अपना मूवी बना
अरे उसके पास नहीं है फिर
मेरे पास है वही तो बोला मैं कब से
तो पेंसिल लाया
दुकान में और एक स्केल है तू तेरे को नहीं छुपाना है
इसका वकील है बोलेगा
डिग्री बता हाँ नहीं मैं डिग्री बता रही हूँ फोटो मेरा मतलब इससे याद है no one can claim to be a doctor or a lawyer if they don't have any specific degrees. मीना वाला इससे रहो तेरी फेवरेट बात तेरी
उसको भी
अरे उसका भी तो क्या बची रहेगी सूजन
मेरे को भी सीखना
अरे मीना उससे अच्छी है वो भी सीखना अच्छी
है स्टोरी के बाद
बहुत
सबसे पहले आती है
अभी भी लगे भाई आपको कौन बैठा बात करो
फ्रेंड पिक्चर
Oh, good evening. All of you, please stand up. Good evening. What's your name? What's your name? You looking at me only fan or already?
No, I was telling.
Come here. Yes. So you don't need to tell often. Okay, tell how are you? Good now. These people are coming. This lovely. School was there today. No holiday. One day of school and after that holidays only. Thursday of school. After the holidays. Yes. Monday with that. And Tuesday also. Okay. So next week, school. Yes, Friday. Today was there. So you look at the child. You are also school. You go this week, okay. Don't worry. You will get one holiday later. Then these people will go to school. Homework was there. What was the homework? 1.1. 1.1 na? Oh yeah na 1.1. All of you done? Yes. All answers got? Yes or no? Yes. You did all around everything. False because you done all answers getting no problem easy. You all answers got easy. Sit down. No doubt. No doubt. Yes, you will not fit then. Then okay, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, insert means less than. Okay, minus 3 by less than. 5 minutes 18. Okay, here's what is your problem.
If each getting rational number one question, we have to simplify it.
Yes, simplification is required. First let me write find the five rational numbers. After that simplification is required. Okay. Okay, as far as possible simplify. Sure, not followed. Followed what I am doing. Like for example, find seven rational numbers between 4 and 5. What is to be done? One of you tell. Raise the hand now. Who is the first comer? Find seven rational number between 4 and 5. Find seven. Nobody's hand is raised. One hand is raised. Your hand is. Okay. Tell. What to do? Tell.
4 can be also written as 4.0.
Now I need in fractions.
Okay, so which fraction?
4 by 1. Then what you do?
Multiply it by 10.
Multiply by
10.
why you need 8 is not multiply? Okay.
Do it by
Okay, so what will you get? 32 upon 8. This one?
Yes.
How much?
8.
Into 8.
8 into 8.
Are you tell na? See, 40 by 8. Then what are the numbers are coming? 33 by 8, 34 by 8, 35 by 8, 36 upon 8, 37 upon 8, 38 upon 8, 39 upon 8. Not enough. What do you do? 33 by 8 cannot be simplified. 17 by 4. 9 fourths are. Okay, let us simplify. Other teachers will cut them out. Teachers say, your school teachers say, don't simplify. Okay. None? Any other problem? Hello? Oh. Feeling called now also? No. Any other problems? Irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers?
Not terminating.
Yeah. Okay.
The number which are non-terminating and cannot be recovered.
Non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. What together yet? Non-terminating, non-recurring decimals occur. What is irrational? What are irrational? Another way. There are 3 ways. Don't read from there. Cheating, okay? What irrational numbers? What recurring and not? Hello, irrational numbers.
Irrational numbers.
I have one mommy, then you should. Irrational numbers. Yeah. Now punishment I'll give.
Can't express in P by Q.
Cannot. So 3 ways I said. Numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. Numbers are not rational. Are called irrational numbers. That is second one. Third one, non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. These are needed only 1 minute to read. Okay. Hello. Holiday sleeping only.
No.
Mommy make good eat, sleep. Then what do you do?
I will complete this over
Your mommy will come after some time. I'll ask her. But she will not come. Then I'll ask. I'll ask. Then she should tell that you are studying. I would tell she doesn't know studying. You study now? One time, Aishwarya Mahesh Chavan. Okay. Chalo. Rational numbers done. Now, today we are going to set. All of you take out your geometrical instruments. Got it now? 3 composite. You don't have? You have protractor, you have?
Yes.
That is this now. This also, who is this one? Everything following. This t-shirt is yours only? Or I got to borrow? You have everything. Why? Forgot. I'll buy. No. See, one minus with 3. You take one pen. 2 pencils. Where are yours? Okay, yeah. Okay, without it should be there with you. Now, we are talking about irrational numbers. Today you are going to study how to represent root 2, root 3, etc. irrational numbers on the number line. Okay, listen carefully. How to represent. Keep your finger. Okay, done. Scale also.
Maybe.
Okay, now. Chalo, listen. We are going to discuss about how to represent root 2, root 3, etc. on the number line. Okay. Now, for this one, all of you know Pythagoras theorem?
Yes.
Yes. What is Pythagoras theorem? It is not there in the book. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem.
Hypotenuse square is equal to
Hypotenuse is square equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square, or base square plus sum of the squares of the other two sides. So if I draw, what is the right? That is for which triangle? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is for which triangle? Right angle triangle. What do you mean right angle triangle? One angle is equal to 90 degrees. So one angle is equal to 90 degrees. Look here. So what is Pythagoras theorem over here? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. I will take AB is equal to 1 and BC is equal to 1. Then by the rule AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, which is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. What is 1 square plus 1 square? 1 plus 1 is 2. That is AC square is equal to, therefore AC is equal to how much? Under root of 2. Isn't it? Square. AC square is 2 means AC is equal to root 2. Understood? If A square is equal to 5, what is the value of A? Root 5. If A square is equal to 16, what is the value of A? Root 16. Therefore, here this is equal to root 2. Are you followed? That means if this side is 1 centimeter, this side is 1 centimeter, then the length of the hypotenuse is equal to how much? Root 2. Are you followed? If you draw a triangle, right angle triangle, whose sides, which other sides are there? One side is 1 centimeter, second side is equal to 1 centimeter, then the hypotenuse is equal to 2. Is that all of you followed? Okay. Next is, do you know what is the meaning of perpendicular? Perpendicular.
Yeah.
Tell now. Divided into 2 part is called perpendicular. Two equal part is not that, is called bisecting. Perpendicular is 2 equal parts.
No, it also divides into equal parts and also
All stories you could tell us. Especially in stories. Tell them perpendicular. I didn't get the meaning. First time is 9th standard only, no? Perpendicular. No. Makes the angle 90 degree. We are talking about bisecting. This is the way perpendicular now. What is the meaning? Making an angle of 90 degree. When two lines intersect, if the angle made is 90 degree, it is called perpendicular. If this is 90 means what is this one?
90.
This one? All are 90 degree. Okay, that is perpendicular. Do you know how to draw perpendicular? How will you draw perpendicular? Arey hero, then how to draw perpendicular means he started to explain how to draw perpendicular. Doesn't know. Do you know what is protractor? Do you know what is protractor? Show the protractor. You know what is protractor now? It's a D. Okay. With the help of protractor, do you know how to make 90 degree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Like there is a line is there in this point, you put 0 over here and this line. So the center point over here and then mark 90 and so. Yes or no? This all have been know, no?
Yes.
Okay. With the help of compass, do you know how to make perpendicular? Yes, sir. So I have to make a perpendicular to this line. How will you make a perpendicular?
So,
One of you are telling or you are telling? Both together. Individual. Single. Okay. Ladies first. Okay.
So, in the numbers, first take 1 point,
Less than 2 centimeters.
less than
You ladies first.
take the measure of less than 2 centimeter.
Why less than 2 centimeters? There is no. Okay. Now what is your case?
Or
Now you tell.
Same sir.
So correct. What is that is correct. Okay. There is no 2 centimeter and all. You will where first question is perpendicular means where to draw perpendicular. I can make a perpendicular here. I can make perpendicular. How many? Not a perpendicular. Where to make? Let's say I have to make a perpendicular at the point. Let's say this is the point P. What you do means you have to draw semicircle. Means fix the needle over here. Open any big semicircle, small, big, any, no measurement. Now, not required of listen here. Going listen. No, it's not required of semicircle. You can make 2 arcs also. If you're cutting, okay? Means with the P as center, where fixing the needle is called a center, and any radius draw the arc. Okay, meeting point is A and B. Now, can you tell me the remaining? Your semicircle is think about. After that,
Sir, after that we have to make 60 degree
nine.
on the semicircle.
Where 60?
After 60 then 120.
we have to make a line from P.
Nine. Nine. How little? From where you? I can make a line this way.
Straight.
Then what do you make?
BC.
From A, make an arc whose length is equal to more than half of AB. Means open the compass, it should be more than half, means this way cut an arc. With the same radius from here you cut the arc. Both of them meeting, now you join this one. This is called the perpendicular. Are you remembering?
Yes.
And if I show with the finger mean this way. These 2 points you cut. Now at this point, take this radius more than half. No need, just open and cut. With the same radius cut. This is called perpendicular. Okay now? Follow. If you are done in the previous class, first you forgot the process. Now, do you know how to draw the number line? How will you do?
Make a line.
First you make a line, okay. Then
0 until the
0, where you mark 0? This is a middle. This is what is the meaning of these 2 arrows? It is continuous. Can we find its middle? No middle. So take any point as 0. Anyway, if you take here, if I take 0 here also, no problem. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. How will I take 1, 2, 3? How will I take 1, 2, 3? Right side you take. Then how? This way. 1, 2.
No.
What is that?
Equal.
Equal measurement. Equal measurement. What equal measurement? Between 0 and 1, between 1 and 2, between 2 and 3, all of them should be equal. Equal means that is called the scale. Distance between 0 and 1. If I take distance between 0 and 1 is 2 centimeter. What is the distance between 1 and 2? 2 centimeter. Distance between 2 and 3? 2 centimeter. Distance between 0 and minus 1? 2 centimeter. So that is our way to draw one centimeter. Okay. So first we will take a number line. So what is it? This I mark as 0. And in the scale itself, first you mark 1, 2, 3. Okay, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, so you have to write the scale. What is how much is taken? Scale 1 unit is equal to how many centimeters. Now I am going to draw number line. Next is at 1, you have to make the perpendicular. How to make the perpendicular means with the help of protractor make it. Otherwise, lot of ask and all will come. Okay. If the school teacher says no, you have to do with the compass, do with it. Otherwise, you make with the protractor, make a 90-degree. You know how to make 90-degree now? Okay. This is. What is the distance between 0 and 1? 1 unit. How much is this? 1 unit. That is OA. Okay. So what is draw the number line? Then make the perpendicular to 1. This much is clear. Then after that, listen carefully. On the compass, take the distance between 0 and 1. On the compass, what measurement will take? Distance between 0 and 1. That is at 1 unit. From A, cut it on the perpendicular. That is B. This is also 1 unit. So this one take and from here cut it. So length of OA, how much is the length of OA? 1. Length of OB, 1. And this angle? 90 degrees. So if I join OB, what will be the length of OB? This is 1, this is 1, root 2. So what is the length of OB? Root 2. Is it B is on the number line? Is it point B on the number line? But if this is the number line now, where is it B on the number line? No, no. This is the number line. It is not on the number line. Is it or not? B is over here now. Can you see? Now, so how do you do? How to make it number line means again fix the 0 and open it till here and cut. Where it is meeting, this point is called root 2. If I take C, C represent root 2 on the number line. This point is called root 2. Are we follow? See, it's a right triangle now. 1 unit, 1 unit. For this is root 2. Hope all of you followed?
Yes.
Okay. So first, whenever if the question is asked, construct root 2, draw root 2 on the number line. This one you have to show. This is called a justification. Right over there, and after that only you do. After that one, first is what you do? Number line. Then after that, perpendicular letter. Where perpendicular? 1. Next is take the measurement between 0 and 1, and from A and cut on the perpendicular. Join OB. Take OB and cut the where it is meeting. That point is called root 2 on the number line. Follow all of you?
Yes.
Pakka.
Yes.
Okay. Can you do it?
Yes.
Okay. Open the notebook. Right. What is that? That's the question. I will tell the question now. Right. Draw root 2 on the number line or represent represent root 2 on the number line by taking 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. The scale may not be given, okay? If it is given, always this. Otherwise, you have to take your scale and you have to write. So first, draw this one. Draw root 2 on number line. On number line by taking number line you take it by taking 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. First you draw this figure, then write this one. The reason for this step, if you want to write, you can write this is Pythagoras theorem. Written?
Yes.
Then start construction. Should I do? First draw number line. Acha, this is one stage there. But is it together? No, do it quick now. Yeah, do it. One is drawing with the pen. Now construction with the pen. Okay. Number line or whatever the line is there. Okay. Chalo, now you don't do it. Sharpen the pencil. This is last year you sharpened the pencil. It's all once only once in a year you do. Good job. Remember to bring the instrument next class. I have one more. Fast, do it now. Not this way, no. That will take lot of time now. What you do means you will keep this one. You keep the scale over here. You keep the scale. Draw the line over there. It will start to. Then it's all it should be. You think okay, then take 0. This minus 1, 1, 2, 3. Then it should be done fast. Okay. Then after that, half things are missing. Where is joining and all? 0 to be a join. These all things should be shown. Not this way. Okay. After this one, perpendicular at 1. This is 1 unit. This is I can take it as A. From here again take 1 unit. This is B. Join. Pencil sharpening done. Is it done? Once the pencil fixed up, this is the pencil I only fixed. What I? Keep it pencil. 2, 3, 3. One sharpening is there. Why you have to draw that one? Perpendicular you are drawn with the protraction. Okay. 1 unit. 1 unit is how much? 2 centimeter now. Check is it cutting properly now? They don't check. He's changing and adjusting. Show to me. I will check again. Give me. Why there's a bend in this line? Not this way. Once only, see, look here. When you draw the line, finish. So that is finished. And this one next year you sharpen out. It's not here, like this. His pencil is not sharpen now. So that all things you have to be careful. See that I can see. Is it proper? So that is why you have to be careful. Okay. Properly, and the teacher will come again. There is a problem. Not to cut. I think there is a problem, madam. There is 1 unit here taken on the compass. Did you take the between 0 and 1? Where? Where did you take? 0 and where is Then what do you do from here? D. Do not go away. Let me check. This is also. Then join with this one. Okay. Taken what? Then from where you will cut? From one. That is the point and join with it. That is your proof. Where is your? How did you get this one? Where is the distance between 0 and 1? See, I can see there is a difference now. Yes or no? So then what that is not correct now. Now to see. Yes. Okay. Now what you do from here? You have to cut. Join this one. Cut it. Where? From here 0 na. Which one you don't listen? Understood? I will do that. Then I will keep all the books and draw for your feet. Listening now. Uzaifa. Zaid. Done. Then after that, did you draw all of you drawn? Yes. This arc. How did you draw this arc? This length and cut it. Mark this is root 2. This also is root 2. Otherwise you can take P. P represents. What P represents? Root 2 on number line. Mark this as root 2. Put an arrow and put root 2 over here. 3 represent root 2 on number line. Okay. From where?
From B.
From 0. That is 0, fix the needle at 0. And open till B. Open till B. Leave that question now. Check it. Show me. Leave. Now cut the arm this one. Without changing. Change dot. Cut it. Never hold that one. The compass should be called this way. Understood? You know this one? Okay, and this one is all of you followed? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Done. Gauri. Got it? But if you want most of these things are not neat. Not neat. So on the top right, what is the scale? Scale. What is the scale? 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. That written all of you?
Yes.
Hope you got an idea. All of you will do the same thing. Scale should be written on the top. Okay? We do the same. This one, all of you do that. I think this can be done. No, see. Without mistake. This should be when teacher looks very neat. Full mark. Like that.
This page is
Started. What is this 2 arms? Don't write anything with the pen on the constructions. Okay, always write with the pencil. Will I write root 2 is no, your construction is wrong here. Show me. Compass. Hussein. Mr. Hussein. Is on see the difference. You look now from here. This question and this question. Isn't that much difference is there? So that means your joining should be this one. And your measurement will be from here. Understood around here this compass is loose. Not use the compass. How much difference is there? This is coming as 1.4, this will be around 1.6 or 7. That's it. See, done. On the number line. Getting better. Okay. Now see this method. Okay. Okay, now all of you followed us to draw root 2. Listen. So we have done root 2. How you have learned how to represent root 2 on the number line. Now I am going to explain how to represent root 3 on the number line. Okay. So root 2, now root 3. We have our Pythagoras theorem is what? Same thing now. What is it? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. If it was root 2, we took this as 1, this as 1. Listen now. Now, if I take this as 1, this as root 2, then check, we put the value, see here, 1 square plus root 2 square. Yes or no? What is 1 square? 1. What is root 2 square? 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. Therefore, what is the value of AC? 3. That means one side should be root 2 and the other side should be 1. Isn't it? Previously, when it was root 2, both the sides are how much? 1 each. Now, here one side should be how much? Root 2, then should be 1. Means to draw root 3, we must draw root 2. Means till here we draw. Okay, first is drawn till here. Then it will be continued. Again, we will draw perpendicular. This is the perpendicular at the point where at root 2. This is the point perpendicular. Listen here. Again, listen carefully. What is the distance between 0 and 1? 1. Same 1 should be cut. This length is root 2. This length is how much? 1. Then join. This OC represents root 3. See this length. Or okay, this is B. Or this is C. And this is D. Then OC's length is how much? What is the length of OC? Root 2. What is the length of CD? 1. Therefore, OD is equal to how much? Root 3. Then we will cut from it like the same process. Where it is meeting, this point represents what? Root 3. Are you followed? So, what do you do first? What are the process to be done? First, number line. Second, first you draw number line. Then second, where? Perpendicular at 1. On perpendicular, how much? 1 unit wheel bar. Join. This length is equal to how much? Root 2 and draw the arc. Again, next is what you have to draw? Draw the perpendicular at root 2. Again, on the perpendicular, how much unit? 1 unit. Join with the 0. Then cut the arc. That is root 3. Are you followed? Sure. Any confusion? Sure. Okay, so draw. Right, draw root 3 and number line. Same scale. 1 centimeter is small, that is why I'm going to do the 2 centimeters. Draw root 3 on number line.
Same scale.
Same scale. First number line. Then 1 by 1. Whichever not getting, tell me. I'll explain. Doubt is there. Done? Not getting? If you are not getting, tell me, I'll explain again.
So where do we have to draw the arc from the sheet?
Huh?
Where do we have to draw the arc from the sheet?
One unit now is also 1. Followed or not? No. I think you have a doubt. There are most of the people are unable to do. Make that man. What is this one? So, where you are the look, that is why I keep on asking. If not followed, don't tell. Aha is not. Answer is correct. See, first is number line drawn. All of you check. Stop writing. Stop drawing. Number line, all of you drawn. Done. Perpendicular letter 1. This is 1 unit from here. This much is 1. Means this length and this length are equal. Join. Uncut the. Where it is coming, this point is called which one? Root 2. Did you all run that match? Yes. All of you? Yes or no? Then what you have to do? Hey, listen. Then what you have to do? Make the perpendicular right to root 2 with the protractor drawn root 2. Okay? Then again 1 unit, this length 0 to 1 from here you cut. Means these two are equal, this also is 1. See, that is why I am marking over here 1. Then join. Okay, if this is, if you want to take, this is A, this is B, OB is root 2. Then from here cut the, this is root 3. If no space means put an arrow and show it. Root 3. Are we go road? So, where did you want, where is your root 2? What?
Still making it.
Still, then how did you draw this line? How did you draw this line?
No,
It's wrong now.
yes.
That itself is not. First you make a root 2. Where is your root 2? Root without root 2 making, how can you draw perpendicular? Cut it. Cut this one. Then only perpendicular. Okay, this has to be shown. Okay, I think there is a problem with your part if there. Show me. This is between 0 and 1. If not followed, you should ask now. This is 0 and 1. This is. Now what is to be done? Again take 1. How much? 1 has to be. Understood or not? Little differences are there. Then join this one. Cut the. Understood or not? Okay. Gauri, done now. This root 2, root 3, I am seeing most of you not making proper. This man only done proper. The improper. I told you little things. It's improper. There is a root 3. Don't mark root 3 here. This point is root 3. On the number line point, okay? That is the point. They asked you to represent root 3 on number. Radius of that arc is root 3. Check all of you. Made it correct or then again join this one. Then cut the from 0. Open it till the next term. Cut the what happens? Hand is fading out. Things are fading. So open the notebook and keep it now.
On this is I can't draw it like that. So
Hope all of you got it, root 2 and root 3. Usai. Sit to it. So root 2, root 3 got. Okay? Complete. So you can draw root 2, root 3. Next is I am going to explain root 5. What is root 4? 2. You don't need to draw now. Root 5. Can you think about root 5?
3 and 2.
3 and 2?
3 and root 2.
No, there is another way. Done. Say, do it fast. No. Now look here. Root 5. Here it should come root 5. Some other way? No other way? Root 3 and root 2. How about if I take this as 2? Huh? If I take that as 2, what will come? What is 2 square?
4.
And 1 square?
1.
So 2 square, how much?
1.
So it is. Yes or no?
Yes.
Equal to 5. So one side is how much? One side is how much? 2 centimeter. Another side is how much? 1 centimeter. Then it will get root 5 or no? Okay, so what is the way? Can you tell who can explain how to draw root 5? He's searching. How can you draw root 5? Don't look in the book. I have written first draw the number line. Then
The numbers
numbers are not 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0. 1, 2, 3, minus 1. Then
1, 2, 3.
oh. Okay, then after that.
Then take 1 sorry, draw perpendicular on
Where? Perpendicular on 2. One side is 2 now, so perpendicular 2. Then
take a unit.
how much? 1 unit or 2 units?
1 unit.
1 unit. Are you looking now? What is written over here? Udar ka bol, so 2 units. Udar ka, see what is it here? It is done na 2. Now check over here on the 1. So how do you take 1 between 0 and 1? From here, cut it. This is 1. This is how much? 2. If I am joining this one, how much you will get? Root 5. You have to remember. Are you followed or not?
Yes.
So this root 5 means 2 and 1. Hope you have followed. So make a root 5 also. Root 5. To draw root 5, write this step. Root 5. You can make a triangle. Draw root 5. See the steps. Problems are there, tell me. Understanding or not? Rucha. How about you? Follow now? If not followed immediately, then there is a doubt. We will explain to you.
So, scale 1 is
From that, if it is not mentioned, you can take anything. So you take 2 centimeter, no problem. You write what is the scale. And if I have not mentioned, then you can do it. Okay. The scale 120 from scale. Hello, next class, carry all the things, 2 pencils, geometry box. It should be there compulsory. Other than throwing you don't get it. Your mistake. This is how many units? 2 centimeters. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Yo, this man is good man. This is 1 centimeter. I'll show everyone here. Wrong na. Why you are working again? 1 means from where to where? 0 to 1. And this is 1 over. When looking each other, you can do no. Yes or no? Okay. Good. You have some problem? First is round the company by 2. Yes or no? On. Then what is the next thing you have to do? Look at that figure. Here it is how much? This is how much? 2. So this is 2. This is how much? Look at there. 1. So what is 1? What is 1? Between. What is 1 unit? Between. So take 0 and 1 measurement. Again? Now cut. From where? From where? Oh, she is touching this one where? Here. And this is 1 now, so from here you have to start now. Cut it. So that is 1. That is the point you got it now. That is not 1. This complete is called 1. Or if you want to let letters you write, this is A, this is B. So B. Okay, join it. Cut the. Done? Done? Look here. Cut now. Okay. That is correct. Now look here. Homework is written on the board. What is the homework written? Root 2, root 3, root 5. All of you have to draw 1 root 2, 1 root 3 and 1 root 5. Okay? Understood? You have some problem with it, that length is not proper.
Sir,
Is
is it wrong?
usually it is wrong, it is correct. Yes, it is correct. Okay? Method is correct. Properly you have to draw. Okay, be careful, practice this one. Okay? Method is clear. So, okay then. See you. Bye bye. Next class. Oh, tomorrow again holiday.
Same there. CB. Good job.